Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Subscribe. Check this out. Just got the leveling kit installed, 2.5-inch Supreme Lift leveling kit on the 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel. Check it out. Oh, she looks nice. Look at that. I'm gonna get level so I can show you what a leveling kit looks like. Back's the exact same inches now from the top of the tire to the top of the fender well, 10 inches. That tire, the top of the fender well, 10 inches, all the way around. Super nice setup right here, guys. Moto metal chrome wheels. These are a 20 by 10 inch wheel wrapped in a 33 1250 20-inch mud terrain tire. Put brand new sway bar bushing end links in it. There's your 2.5-inch kit right there. Put brand new all clear housing headlights in it. I freshened this baby up. I tuned the windows to 20% earlier. I'm gonna take the step bars off now, and I'm gonna make it look really clean. This truck's gonna look nice and flush and crisp. Super nice. Hope you guys like it. Check it out. There's the side stands for it. Thank you guys very much again for subscribing and the support. All you guys are awesome. I got all your comments and everything. Just takes a while for me to respond to each and every one of you. Honestly, thank you again. You guys are great. Check it out. Super nice setup right here, guys. She's pretty. It's just something about the chrome and the silver. They clash really well. Looks really nice. Oh, this big old beast back there. Hey, if you guys want, drop it in the comments. I want to know what you would name my monster truck. What would you guys name my monster truck? Give me a name for it. Start putting some comments in the reviews below. Anthony, I know you're gonna, I can't wait to see what you're gonna say. Come on, what's a name for it? Give me a name for this guy. The Beast, Monster, who knows? Let me know. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, see you later.